Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations and problem solving. Equations are powerful tools when it comes to solving problems. The following 4 steps are very helpful when solving problems. Use a pronumeral to help form the equation. Write down the equation for the problem being solved. Solve the equation and check the answer to the problem. Let's see how these 4 rules actually work. Example 1. If I add 3 to a certain number, I get an answer of 11. What is the number? So here's our solution. The first rule says, use a pronumeral to help form the equation. So let the unknown number equal m. So that's the first step. The second step says, write down the equation for the problem being solved. Well, it says, the problem says if I add 3 to a certain number, I get an answer of 11. So there's the certain number, I add 3 to it, and I get an answer of 11. So there's our equation. Now to solve it, now here we have plus 3. So we perform the opposite operation to plus 3. That's what we saw in the previous lesson. So subtract 3 from both sides. All you do is do the opposite operation to addition. So m plus 3 minus 3, so that's the operation we're doing, and we do the same operation on that side to keep the equation balanced. Plus 3 and minus 3 is 0, so we're left with m by itself. 11 minus 3 is 8, so m equals 8. And the last rule says check the answer to the problem. So if m was 8, we put 8 in there and we get 8 plus 3 equals 11, and we see that's correct. So we solved the problem correctly. Second example, if a particular number is multiplied by 3 and 5 is added to this answer, the result is 23. What is the original particular number? So the first hint tells us that we have to use a pronumeral. So let the particular number equal k. That's the first part. Then we have to form an equation. So 3k plus 5 equals 23. That's what the worded problem is telling us. 3k plus 5 equals 23. Because that's a plus sign, we subtract 5 from each side. So we've done that there and there. Solving the left-hand side gives us 3k. The right-hand side gives us 18. Divide each side by 3, which is what we've done here, because division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So we divide both sides by 3. When the 3's cancel, that gives us k. 3 into 18 goes 6. Check the answer. So we substitute 6 for k. 3 times 6 plus 5, which is 18, plus 5, which is 23. So the answer is correct. So we have solved the problem. So this video has introduced us to the idea of using equations to solve problems. And there are some basic rules to follow. And if we do that and have enough practice, we should become very confident with this procedure.